Hi guys, so I just wanted to get on here and rant and rave about the Bissell Power Force Compact Turbo. I went to Walmart today and I just decided I needed a new vacuum. And you can see by the dust collection that it worked pretty well. So I had sprinkled some diatomaceous earth on my carpet to combat a flea problem. I don't even have a pet, but my daughter goes back and forth to her dad's, and he has a cat, and needless to say, some of them trickled home. So I had sprinkled some diatomaceous earth on the carpet to combat them, and I used my old vacuum, and I felt like it wasn't really picking up stuff, but it turns out it wasn't picking up stuff because look at all that. So the Bissell Power Force Compact Turbo definitely sucks up debris left in the carpet, as you could tell. I could feel a little bit of a propelled forward motion when I was using it, and definitely helps some. The cord is long as heck, which is a plus, and it's not too bad to look at either. But yeah. So it definitely works. So if you want an honest review, here's mine. Bye, guys.